So I'm going to show you how to use the Scramble Password feature on the Eufy C33 Smart door lock. Now, let's say you have a PIN. It's a 4-digit PIN. For the purpose of this example, let's assume that PIN is 0000. Now, sometimes you might be trying to unlock your door, but then you have someone over your shoulder, and you're afraid they might see your password, which is 0000. So you can now go into the settings. So just go to the Eufy app on your phone and then go to your specific lock and then go to settings, and then you should see the Scramble Passcode option. Now with this option enabled, you can actually use a scramble password, which is basically means it's a scrambled password. So you can put any number of digits before or after your actual password, just to kind of throw off anybody who will be looking over your shoulder as you put in your passcode. So like I said, your passcode is 0000. So what you need to do is you can put any number. So you can put 873 and then 0000 and then some other digits, 5621. So that is still going to work and unlock your door, even though you've put let's say you've put 10 digits and your password is only 4 digits, and that's meant to throw off anybody who would be trying to peep through to see your password, or someone is looking over your shoulder and you don't want them to see your password. You can actually, as long as there's somewhere in that scrambled password that the actual password exists, either in the middle, before or after the scrambled password, the real password and the way it follows each other should be somewhere in there. So that is basically how to use a scrambled password to access your C33 Smart door lock. I hope that was useful. Thanks for watching and good luck.